Hi, I'm Dave Becattini with LifeAire Systems. Today we're going to continue our 5-part series sharing important information regarding government funding programs that you really need to know about. Now, each one of these programs can provide funds you need to meet the challenges that you're facing today. It is important to note that each one of these programs is unique and operates independently of the others. What that means, the good news is, you therefore have the opportunity to take advantage of all of them. You don't just have to pick and choose one. So today I'm going to talk about Commercial Property Assessed Clean Energy, or CPACE. Now, CPACE is a really special funding program that was designed by the government back in 2002 with the purpose of really helping any building owner, doesn't matter what type building, any commercial building owner, to be able to do important upgrades to create energy efficiencies in their building, whether that be LED lighting, better insulation, better windows, you name it. If it's energy efficient, that's what the program is all about. And the idea was they wanted building owners to be able to do all of those energy savings activities and start reaping the benefits of that. And of course, that we would be a greener, cleaner society, and do all that all at once rather than it taking 4, 5, 10, 20 years to do because of capital budget constraints. So what's really nice is, again, this is something that was originally created by the US government. It then goes to each state individually. Currently, there are 33 states and the District of Columbia that allow CPACE projects, and more getting added on all the time. But each state takes the government program and makes the necessary adjustments so that it better fits the needs of the business owners in that state. It then goes further to each county within the state, and each county then does their own tweak or makes their own additions so that it best fits the business owners within that county. So by the time there's a CPACE program available to you, it has been triple vetted through all the state, federal, and local governments to really make it something that is the most valuable for you. Now, as it says, CPACE, it's property assessed clean energy. It's all about those energy savings, energy efficient programs. So it can be done, and it can allow those upgrades with zero out-of-pocket dollars. It is really meant to be, you spend nothing, you need no capital budget because of the way the CPACE program runs. In addition, and one of the best things about it is set up so that you will be cash flow positive from year one. So right out of the gate, you are going to be net positive on making money. So it is also set up in a way that this is something that can be on or off balance sheet. That's completely up to your accountant. It can be on or off balance sheet. It does not affect your credit score. So you can still borrow other monies if you need to. It is something completely separate from all of that. And it's a very long-term loan process. It's not really a traditional loan, but a very long-term process where you can get funding payback terms of 20 to even 30 years. So it's no risk funding. The key to it all is the energy savings costs that you get from the various projects that you do must exceed the cost of the project, or it won't get funded. So nothing cosmetic. You can't buy furniture, you can't get new rugs or paint a building. It's all about energy efficient projects. And it's therefore going to increase your bottom line. It's also going to make your property more valuable because of the things that you're able to do. Now, the absolute key to this in most states is that a third-party licensed professional, usually an engineer, has to come in and do an energy audit. And they have to examine where you are today and then look at all the projects that you're planning to do, and they're trained to look at the cost savings that are available via those projects. And only if they deem that the projects that you are trying to do will give you savings that are greater than the cost of the projects themselves will you get the money. The way that works is, let's say, for example, it's $1 million group of projects and the term is 20 years. During the course of that 20 years, you must reap the benefit of greater than $1 million in energy savings, or again, the funding isn't there and you simply can't do it. So that really makes it no risk. The other thing that's great is it can be deferred payments at the front. Some of the lenders will do that so that you can start getting all those energy savings, get all that additional cash flow, and not have to make any payments for as long as 3 years. So again, lots of benefits to the program. The way it works, it acts as an assessment on the property tax. So you're paying it once a year, not monthly. And you simply either pay higher property taxes in order to cover the payback of the funding. But again, you will have reaped more benefit and gotten more money through the course of the year than what you're going to have to pay. It does apply for nonprofits as well that are not paying real estate tax or property tax. And it's very simply, you would sign a document that says that you will take a voluntary property tax during the term of the funding. And as soon as that term is over, you're back to paying no property taxes. So again, very simple, very straightforward. And it's designed to, therefore, it's going to improve your building. It's going to increase the value of the building. It's going to create a better, safer, and more energy efficient place to work. And it's going to generate more cash flow. So some of the projects that are available, or the projects you can do, if you look at the slide here, it's boilers, chillers, furnaces, hot water systems, automated building controls. You could have water reclamation. Some of the things that are always in there are switching to LED lighting or high efficiency lighting, going solar and adding solar panels. You can do upgrades to HVAC. There's a ton of different things that you can do, and you can really make your building better, safer, more efficient by going the C-PACE route. So if you have questions, you know where to contact me, and we can discuss more about it, and I can put you in touch with both C-PACE lending professionals as well as C-PACE engineering professionals that do the auditing. Thanks for your time today. Take care.